You've got a big sales pitch in an hour, 5 browser tabs open, battle cards scattered everywhere, product sheets buried in your downloads. You know you have the perfect case study somewhere. You just can't find it fast enough. Every sales rep knows this pain. You're drowning in information, but starving for the right insight at the right moment. That's where AI tools like NotebookLM promise to help. But here's what nobody's telling you. There's a better way that goes beyond just organizing notes. In this video, we'll break down how you can use NotebookLM for sales. And if you want to move beyond just sales prompting, we'll show you how ClickUp's converged AI workspace can help you keep your entire sales workflow in one place. Let's start with understanding what exactly is NotebookLM. It's Google Labs' AI-powered research and note-taking assistant, built on their Gemini language model. It grounds everything in the materials you upload. No random AI hallucinations pulling facts from thin air. NotebookLM is built on 4 core features when it comes to sales. Notebooks keep everything organized by client or deal, docs, specs, and call notes all in one place. Instant Insights lets you ask questions and get answers with links to the source, so you don't waste time hunting for info. Notes and source docs help you capture anything valuable and turn it into reusable content for your sales playbook. And audio overviews give you quick, on-the-go refreshers before meetings, turning your materials into a discussion you can listen to. Sounds pretty useful for sales, right? Let's see how teams are actually using these. To get started with NotebookLM, upload all your essential sales documents into the platform. Create separate notebooks for different categories, like product capabilities or client presentations. This way, you and your team can instantly find the right information when you need it. New team members can easily go through simple best practices and product info, making it faster to get started and always ready for client chats. Before heading into a client meeting, prepare and personalize client interactions. Add past emails, meeting notes, and product sheets into a dedicated notebook in NotebookLM. Use the AI to summarize key points from previous interactions or to generate a list of potential client questions. You can even ask it to suggest personalized talking points based on the client's preferences and history, so every pitch or follow-up feels tailored and thoughtful. In sales, understanding what's in trend is key to hitting your targets. With NotebookLM, you can upload your sales data, quarterly reports, and performance metrics into organized notebooks. The AI then analyzes these files to spot important trends like seasonal spikes or top-performing products and can automatically generate clear summary reports. You spend less time crunching numbers and more time acting on real insights to improve your sales strategy. NotebookLM also helps with competitor research. You can upload competitor websites, pricing pages, product comparisons, customer reviews, and market reports. Then ask AI to summarize strengths, weaknesses, and positioning differences, giving your sales team talking points they can actually use during calls. Lastly, follow-up management. Sales reps can upload client communication history inside NotebookLM to keep everything in one place. That makes it easier to review what was discussed, spot open loops, and decide when and how to follow up, without relying on memory or scattered notes. Now, here's the catch with NotebookLM. It's useful, but it has a few limitations. Because once you have a bunch of notebooks, files start getting fragmented again. Your output will require a human check, and collaboration becomes difficult. This is where ClickUp comes in. ClickUp isn't an AI that reads docs. It's inside the system where your deals actually move. Here's the fundamental difference. NotebookLM reads files you upload. ClickUp Brain, the world's most complete work AI, reads your entire ClickUp workspace, your docs, tasks, chat, projects, and even your CRM data. So there's no uploading, no switching tools. The context is already there. You can ask ClickUp Brain, what's our enterprise pricing? Who's handling the project deal? And it pulls answers from your internal docs, wikis, and real workspace activity instantly. One of the core features of ClickUp Brain is the AI Project Manager. You can say, summarize progress on Q3 sales targets, and it generates an update based on what's actually happening inside tasks. What's done, what's stuck, what's late, what needs attention. It also comes with an AI writing assistant, which is huge for sales. It can draft outreach emails, follow-ups right inside the CRM task, using context from the deal. Beyond ClickUp Brain, ClickUp's AI note taker can auto-join your sales calls, record, transcribe, and summarize. And the best part, it pulls out action items from the meeting. So follow-ups don't live in someone's memory. They become actual tasks. And of course, ClickUp has a full CRM layer, so you can track leads, assign owners, manage stages, and keep every touch point tied to the opportunity. Then you add automations, and that's where sales teams really feel the speed. You can auto-assign a rep, auto-create a follow-up task, and set reminders. Basically, less busy work, more selling. And finally, ClickUp dashboards help you see pipeline health, conversion rates, rep performance, and forecast gaps in real time, without building a report from scratch every week. So yeah, NotebookLM is great for understanding documents, but ClickUp is built for what sales actually need: knowledge, execution, automation, and visibility, all in one place. Don't just take our word, try it yourself by signing up for free at clickup.com.